We're recording. This is the review for the Algebra 1 quiz. I'm going to try to post this to YouTube and put a link on Teams. And if you need to look at something when you get home, you'd have access to it. Our students that are at home will have access to it. So I'm going to try to make it short so nobody wants to watch a 10-minute video. We're going to find the mean by adding these together. And there were 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. My mean is going to be 30.8. Add them up, take the total, divide by 6. Find the mean, the median, the mode, and the range. These numbers are already in order to find the mean. 213 plus 215 plus 215 plus 225 is 868. Divided by 4, the mean is 217. The median, there are 2 in the middle. When you add them together, get your answer of 430 and divide it by 2. Your median is 215. That makes sense because the two numbers you were working with were each 215. The mode is the one used most often. It is 215. The range is the largest number minus the smallest number, which is 12. Okay? Next, create a set of data that has a range of 9, a mean of 15, a median of 14, and a mode of 11. Well, guys, the median and the mode are actually pieces of data. The other ones may not be. So I'm going to start with 14, and I'm going to try to make 5 numbers in my set of data. I may have to put more in there. I may have to take some out. I want 14 to be the median, so I put it in the middle. The mode is 11, which means it shows up more often than anything else. So would it be okay if it showed up twice? Well, the range is 9. So I know it's going to be this number, take away 11. This number, subtract 11. So what number would go over here to make that equal 9? 20. So far, I've checked off a range of 9, a median of 14, and a mode of 11. I might be able to make it have a mean of 15, and I might have to adjust my numbers. I don't know. How in the world am I going to figure out if it has a mean of 15? Like, what's the process for that? And it's adding them all up and dividing by what number? 5. So it's 11 plus 11 plus 14 plus some number I don't know plus 20. And I'm going to get some number. I'm going to divide it by 5, and I want that to equal 15. What number divided by 5 is 15? 100 divided by 5 is 20. That's too big. 90 divided by 5 is 18. That's too big. 80 divided by 5 is 16. I'm close. 75 divided by 5 is 15. A quicker way to get to that would have been to say 5 times 15 is 75. So all of this is supposed to add up to 75. Well, what happens when I get all these numbers together? 11 plus 11 plus 14 plus 20 gives me 56. So 56 plus the number in the box needs to equal 75. And then when I divide by 5, I'd get 15. So what number goes in the box? 19. Now let me go back to my little list of data here. Would it be okay to put 19 in there? And what I mean by that is it's not bigger than 20, right? It's but it is bigger than 14. So does it satisfy the requirements? Yes? That's a tough problem. That's a challenging problem. Okay, let's do number 4. What would be your first step in solving that equation? First step. Ahmad.
Oh, I'm going to do
Add 1. So n over 4 is equal to 2, and this canceled. What's the next step? Colin? Multiply. Multiply both sides by 4. N equals 8. Did everybody get that one right? Y'all feel comfortable with that problem? Okay. Number 5. First step in number 5. Nasia?
Oh.
So this gives me negative 10x equals negative 40. Next step. Summer?
Divide negative 10 from negative 1.
So x is?
4.
Positive 4. Why is it positive?
Because the negative.
Divided by negative is a positive. Okay, quiz on Friday over these same topics.